Is it recording? Is it recording? Oh, yes. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Summer's Toy Time. Today I'll be doing another video. And today's video will just be kind of random because my mom got this new editing program called Movie Maker. And we're going to try it out today and add some sound effects to my video. And maybe my video will be a little bit better because this video is kind of random. So, yeah. Anyway, let's get into the video. What's going on? Why is everybody barking and the horses rearing everywhere? I wonder why. Yeah, Dad, let's go check it out. I hope they're okay. Oh no, the poor horses. You okay, horses? Woof, woof. Star, I don't like the sound of this. The humans seem scared for the other horses, and the other horses seem a little bit scared. I think there's like a storm coming or something. Nonsense. There wouldn't be no storm. This is California. And California has no storms. Are you sure about that? Remember that one where we had we were supposed to hide it all inside and everything almost blew away, you know? Well, I'm not talking about that storm. That one, no. That's still a storm. I guess you're right for once. For once, I'm always right. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, I'm sure there's gonna be nothing wrong. What do you mean? Ugh, whatever. I think there's gonna be a storm. Yes, Daddy, we have to put them inside. All right, now that all the horses are put in stalls, we'll just have to wait out the storm. Beep, beep, beep. Oh no, the car. The next day. I'm so tired. We had to sleep in that barn last night. That was a disaster. Cooking some pasta on the stove. Oh, hi Molly. What is it? Are you trying to tell me something? Okay, I'm coming. Molly, why are we in the living room? Woof, woof. We are looking at the weather reports, and it seems to be no snow and no more rain. So you all can get your horses back in the pastures if you have any, and get your dogs outside to go potty again. What kind of news is this? Well, whatever. Now I at least know that we're safe. Right, Molly? Shiva, you fell down the stairs. Ah! Ow. I hear the weather reports. That's good. Well, I guess we can put the horses back in the pastures.